David Haverlet writes, Chris, did you race Aquamoto in the mid to early 2000s? I remember a national pro rider dominated our regional race at Lake Belton in 2004. He lapped the field. Was that you?
Lake where?
Lake Belton. With a B, Belton.
Where would that be?
I don't know. Let's Google it.
Aquamoto. I know Fishes was Aquamoto, but Lake Belton.
Belton Lake. Let's see. Leon River, Bezos River Basin, U.S. Army Corps engineer. Let's take a look. It is. I'm on Google Maps right now. Let's see here. Okay. Dude, it's out in the middle of it. Okay, so well, speaking of Waco, it's just southwest of Waco.
Oh no, I never went there. But I did race like a R5 watercraft race with my friend Brian Smith once when he ran it back in the day. Like, so maybe that was at a July 4th race, and that was pretty cool because they had like a running race in the morning. I did a 5K and then raced the stand up in the afternoon, and that was I think Chris Haggis was there, and that's the only time I really raced a regional race in Texas that I remember. Okay. That was more in the Dallas area.
Okay. All right. How long did Flying Brian have that series? He did that series for a while, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. I think 5-6 years. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, he was pretty successful with that.
Yeah, he did good. He was, you know what, people like that have the passion for it, really appreciate in this sport.
Yeah, no, he's the real guy. I don't think I've talked to him more than maybe 3 or 4 words, but he's really hardcore.
He's good. He's good when you get to talking to him. He's like one of my best friends, and
cool.
Comes to Thanksgiving and stuff like that here. So, good guy.
Good. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.